Then you can do it. I make you a picture.
Nakita daw niya kasi yung ilulubog yung mukha. Tapos kukunan ng picture, makikita yung mukha sa snow. Parang maskara ba yun? Kaya gusto niyang gayahin.
You want me to do it here? You film it,
okay.
huh?
Wait.
You come closer
Yeah?
because you really have to look into the face.
Okay. I film you now.
Yeah. You
One.
come to me, yeah.
Yeah.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Ay, naku, I don't do this.
Yeah.
Ah, look.
And now you have to put the light actually. It's really, my face is really there, huh?
Ayan nga naman yung mukha niya. Oh. Pero ako hindi lulubog dyan, grabe. Ang lamig-lamig ang kinogino kaya. Ayan, parang maskara na kukunan niya yung mukha niya. O, diba? At yung dalawa, kamay naman nila. Ayaw nila ng mukha nila, kaya kamay lang nila ilulubog nila sa snow.
What's broken?
Oh, yan yung inyong kamay.
You make a picture. Your hand is really there, huh? Your hand is really... You see how good your hand...
Ayun ang kanilang mga kamay. O, diba? So, kamay ang inilubog nila. Ayaw kasi nila ng mukha na kagaya ni Panchoten. Gusto niya mukha. Ang lamig kaya ako paalang. Ayan, o. Sinukat ko lang kung gaano kakapal ang snow. O, talaga, hindi kita ang paa ko.